nag-enjoy kayo dito sa aking video for today. So, hindi ko pa rin alam ang aking kaganapan. So, you will see later sa mga pangyapo natin dyan. And again, please subscribe my channel. At kung like nyo naman itong aking video for today, Vlogmas 13, ayan, please like and share. And please don't forget to comment down below. At kung gusto nyo naman po ma-update sa aking video for today, ayan, please click the notification bell para ma-update kayo every time na meron latest ang anong Panginoon. So, papakyaw natin dyan. See you later! It done. So ang aking lipstick naman, lip balm, ayan yung aking Elizabeth Taylor, ayan. Elizabeth Taylor, ayan. Focus. At ang aking lipstick color setting link, ayan. Revlon. So ayun mga pangyaw, let's wait. I need to hurry. It's almost done. So, ayan lang. Napakasimple lang ng inyong pangyaw. So, inuuna ko muna yung aking lip balm. Gawa ng dry dahil na winter. So, ayan. At ang ating Revlon lipstick. That's it. So, ayan. Blower lang ang inyong pangyaw. At it's almost late na.
No, another money ring. That's only two design. But I have, meron na ako yung isa. Ayan, tapos na tayo. Uwi na. So, yun. Try kong. So, ayan, sa mga pangyapo natin dyan. Maraming salamat sa panonood. At I hope na like nyo tong aking video for today. You on my next vlog, mga pangyaw. At kung gusto nyo naman po maging happy, always smile. And thank you for watching. God bless everyone. See you on my next one. Toche.
Hello, coffee. Coffee.
You taste pork. It's a pork. Kaming. Okay. 1819. Hmm?